All right, guys, I'm gonna do a little review on this Safe hitch I got. This Safe's been making aluminum hitches for a long time, and this last month they came out with the same version with the built-in scale, but a steel hitch instead. I don't have nothing against aluminum hitches; they're super strong. I want steel, and they come out with one, so this gives me a chance to try it out. I'm gonna do a little review on it. This is kind of what's in the box. Mine's 8-inch drop. 8-inch drop. Here's the tongue. I'm assuming these two are the balls. I haven't, let's see if I can get my knife out and cut this. Yeah, that's gonna be your lock and your key. I'm assuming. This heavy hitch. It's probably 40 pounds, just the hitch. There's your 2-inch ball. Okay, yeah, 2-inch. Here's your 2 5/16 inch ball. But I'll put this thing together. I just kind of wanted to do a little unboxing. I'll put this thing together real quick and put it on my truck. Like I said, this 8-inch drop and 8-inch drop, 2.5-inch receiver. And I'll put it on the truck, talk about it, measure it, let y'all see. And I'm gonna go get my trailer and put my lawnmower up, and we'll test out this scale right here, let y'all see. I'll be back. All right, so it's got a little slot right here. It goes through. Your ball's got a hole in it. Stick this in there, stick this pin in here. Line it up, put it flat. Love bugs are everywhere around here right now. And it just slides on here like this. Pick whatever height you want. I'll probably put it on the lowest. And then you turn this. Okay. Stick this in there like this. Turn the key to lock it and pull it out. And it's locked. And, probably have to have a bit of weight on it, but I'll go get my trailer and my lawnmower and we'll put it on here and test out the scale. So I'll get, oh, I'm sorry. It's also got comes with a little dust cover. So put that on there, ready to go. I'll be back. All right, guys, I got my lawnmower and trailer hooked up. My weight of my trailer is 1,600 pounds, and my lawnmower weighs 1,220. Well, the total weight altogether with everything is 2,820 pounds. So what that would mean is that you'd want a tongue weight between 282 pounds and 423 pounds. So basically anything between 10 to 20%, or I'm sorry, 10 to 15% of your gross trailer weight, which is your trailer plus all the weight on your trailer. You want your tongue weight to be between 10 and 15% of that. So at 10%, it would be 282 pounds. And at 15%, it'd be 423 pounds of tongue weight. Right now, you can see the lawnmower is way too far back and it's registering 0 tongue weight. So this is not how you'd want to pull it, because the front of your trailer is too heavy and it's gonna be, or the front of your trailer's up like this instead of down. There's not enough tongue weight and it'll cause swag. But what I'm gonna have her do is pull it up, and then I'll tell her about when to stop, and I'll let you see how the scale works. So I'm gonna go start it up real quick. I just pull up just a little bit and just stop whenever I tell you to. All right. She's gonna pull up now. Come on, pull up. Keep coming. All right, hold that. All right, back up just a tad. All right, put her in park right there. All right, so where the lawnmower's at right now, that's the tongue weight it's supposed to be, between 282 and what was it, 423. And as you can see, right now it's at right now it's at 1, 2, 3. So it's over 282 and it's lower than the 15%. So there's a good little bit of wiggle room up there. I can have her pull up a little bit more, but right now I'm within the 10 to 15%. So you could safely tow this right here. So I'd strap the lawnmower down and then tow it. But the hitch is pretty cool to know that. Just so you know, I mean, of course you gotta know how much all the cargo you has weighs and what your trailer weighs in order to figure it out. But once you've got it figured out, then you're good to go. There's my little beagle right there. But look, that's all I wanted to do, just demonstrate that real quick. And I'll get you some measurements from the hitch to the ground. My truck's leveled on 37s, so I mean, it'll give you an idea, but appreciate it. All right, guys, from the ground, it's right about 13 inches. You can go, you know, this bottom part's always gonna be 13, but you can bring the balls at about 18 and a half, and if it was at the top, it'd probably be about 25 and a half. So it's a good little, like I said, this is a 8-inch drop. I'm gonna show you how to change the ball out real quick, and then we'll pretty much be done. Take the dust cover off, put your key in, pull this out, drop this. So there's a little pin right here. You pull this pin out, ball pops out, put your 2 5/16 inch ball in. There's a little hole right there. And then this pin goes right back in like that, folds down, and then you slide it up. I don't use the 2 5/16 very much, but you can also, like how the B&W tow and stow it does, if you're not using it, you can also put it like this, put the pin back through, and then when you're storing it like that. So it will do the same thing that the B&W does. I've had somebody ask me that before, so. But like I said, I use mostly a 2-inch ball. You just slide it in there, pick your desired height. I keep mine on the bottom. Stick this through, turn the key, make sure it's locked. Put your dust cover back on, and you're good to go. It's that simple. But I'll put a link to this hitch in the description of the video. Just click the description, it'll show you a link. I got this one on Amazon. Like I said, this is the steel one. They just started coming out with steel last month. WaySafe's been doing aluminum hitches forever. There's nothing wrong with the aluminum hitch. I've got some buddies that have it. I just prefer the steel. And just one more thing I want to show you real quick. Is I'll put a link to this too. This is called the bolt receiver lock. You know, you get a high dollar hitch, you don't want to get stolen, but the cool thing about the bolt is it keys to your truck key, so you don't have to have another key. I'll put a link to this in the description too. Just one less key you got to carry around on your keychain. But they make hitch locks, they make like a padlocks, they make anything. But it's super convenient that it goes to your truck key. Never have to worry about losing it. But look, I appreciate y'all, and God bless. All right, guys, just one more thing. I know I was talking out there in the yard. I was just going to break it down to you real quick. So my trailer weighs 1,600 pounds. My lawnmower is 1,220 pounds. So you add those two up, and the trailer total with the trailer and the lawnmower is 2,820 pounds. And what you want is you want your tongue weight to be between 10 and 15% of that number. So 2,820 times 10% would be 282 pounds. And then 2,820 times 15% is going to be 423 pounds. So as long as the scale's reading between 282 and 423, then that means you're in the 10 to 15% tongue weight that you need. So I know I said it kind of outside real quick, but I just wanted to break it down for you right there. So appreciate you. But that's all there is to it. If you got any questions, just comment, and I'll try to help you out as best I can. Appreciate y'all watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.